Did you know the first black woman doctor in America had to treat patients while dodging death threats? In 1864, Rebecca Lee Crumpler made history. She became the first African-American woman to earn a medical degree. But her real test was just beginning. After the Civil War ended, Rebecca moved to the South. She wanted to help freed slaves who had no access to health care. But white patients and doctors didn't want her there. They threatened her. They refused to work with her. Some even tried to stop her from treating people. Rebecca didn't give up. She kept helping families, especially women and children who needed care the most. The danger was real, but so was her mission. Then she did something amazing. Rebecca wrote the first medical book ever published by a black woman. A book of medical discourses shared her knowledge about caring for women and children. Rebecca faced rejection, hatred, and fear, but she kept going. Her courage opened doors for every black woman doctor who came after her.